In this video, we are going to find the value of r. So here is the solution when you are facing a question like this. So 5 power r over 3 with a bracket is equals to 125. So the first thing is to make sure that you turn this 125 into exponent. And 125 is equals to 5 power 3. So here you say 5 r over 3 is equals to 5 power 3. Then you apply logarithm on both sides. So log 5 power r over 3 is equals to log 5 power 3. Then according to the laws of logarithm, we agree that we have the log of exponent where we take the exponent behind the logarithm. So it will be r over 3 log 5 equals to 3 log 5. And of course we can cancel this because this is in base 10. This is base 10, so we can cancel the logs on both sides because there is an equal sign here. Of course, we have r over 3 is equals to 3. Then of course we can multiply both sides by 3 here. So r is equals to 9. Or we can use a simple method which is quick and faster. 5 r over 3 is equals to 5 power 3. You can even start by cancel both sides instead of putting logarithm in this, because this is known process. It's a process which is already known. So by the end of the day, you will have this, and same goes. You multiply, you cancel here, r is equals to 9.